from the makers of 4 Candies. Comes nicely packaged with your pencil kit with an arrow. This way it opens up and they give you an instruction guide on how to take care of your pencil kit in case it gets jammed to changing the eraser and the lead. In this kit, you get 2 pencils, 0.5 millimeter, 24 pieces of leads per container, and 2 erasers, a metal pencil in black. On the end over here, you simply pull the cap off to expose the eraser head and put the cap back on and covers the eraser. When you press in, it releases the lead, and if you hold in and keep holding in, you're able to take the lead and change it out like so. In this kit, you get 4.5 millimeter and 4.7 millimeter, 24 leads per. You simply grab the cover, pull off, and you have all your lead. Now you take your pencil. If you ever have a jam, you take the cap off, pull the eraser out, grab the lead, take the lead, place it into the top cap. You place on the lead again, and you press in to get the jam out, and the lead will come out. If you need to carry refills, you can also add in your lead. There's only a certain amount of lead that could go in, a couple. Place the cap back on. Place the end cap back on. Grab a lead. Push in. And slide your refill in. When ready to write, just simply press and write 4 Candies. Oops, I made a mistake. It broke. I could take the eraser and erase the words I wrote and rewrite it again. The 0.7 millimeter is thicker than the 0.5 millimeter that's in the actual pen. And this will fit in the same exact way by sliding into the tip. The 7 millimeter on the bottom. You can see the difference in the stroke, a thicker stroke or a thinner stroke. 0.7 millimeter or 0.5 millimeter, your choice. The eraser head is very simple to use and erase. And if it ever wears down or breaks, you simply take a new head, pull it out. You get plenty of refills that you can add in like so. From the makers of 4 Candies, your 2 pencil set, 2 kits for sketching artists, school, work, wherever you need to have a pencil kit for your needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.